In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Slides in PowerPoint. If you've built a presentation in Google Slides but need to share it with someone who uses Microsoft PowerPoint, or you simply prefer PowerPoint's tools, this quick process will convert your file into a .pptx format. I'll guide you through the exact clicks, explain what each option does, and share a few tips so your presentation looks the way you expect after conversion. First, open your presentation in Google Slides in your web browser. Make sure you're looking at the slides editor, not just a preview. You should see your slide thumbnails on the left and your main slide in the center. If you're working with a shared file, confirm you have access to view or edit it. While you don't need edit access to download, certain restrictions from the owner can limit what you see. A stable internet connection helps because this process converts and downloads the file from the cloud. Next, look to the very top left corner of the screen and click File. This opens a drop-down menu with options for managing your document. If you're on a smaller screen and don't see the full menu, try maximizing the window or zooming out a bit so the file option appears clearly. Think of the file menu as the place for creating copies, exporting, and changing formats. In the file menu, choose Download. This is the export area where Google Slides packages your presentation into different file types you can use outside of Google's ecosystem. You'll see several options here, but we'll focus on the one that works with Microsoft PowerPoint. From the download list, click Microsoft PowerPoint. Slides will convert your presentation into a .pptx file and your browser will begin downloading it. Depending on your browser settings, the file will land in your default downloads folder, or you may be asked where to save it. The file name will usually match your Google Slides title. After the download finishes, you now have a PowerPoint version ready to use. A few tips as you move forward. Most layouts, images, and speaker notes carry over well, but occasionally fonts, animations, or smart features may look slightly different after conversion. If you used special fonts in Slides, consider installing those fonts on the computer where you'll open the file or switch to a common font before downloading. If something looks off, check the Slide Master in PowerPoint to quickly fix consistent layout issues. And that's it. Your Google Slides is now ready for PowerPoint with just those clicks.